Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is the Q800 Pro dash cam from Thinkware. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I've been contemplating buying a dash cam for quite some time now, and I finally made up my mind and got this one, Thinkware's Q800 Pro 2-channel combo. This dash cam boasts a QHD 1440p 30 frames per second front camera with a 5.14 megapixel Sony Starburst lens, super night vision, energy saving parking recording, and more. So without further ado, let's open her up. Oh, and by the way, if you appreciate videos like these, please consider hitting the like button and please subscribe, and I'll keep pumping out these videos. So when you open up this box, the first thing you're going to see is the main camera. I like this body design a lot because it does not hang down perpendicular to the windshield, creating a visual obstruction or distraction. Instead, it mounts parallel to the direction of the windshield. I think it's a little interesting how Thinkware packaged this box though. It's like they want to get all the excitement over with quickly by presenting you the camera first as soon as you open the box. Maybe they packaged it that way for quick exchanges? Who knows? And next we have some documentation. It's always good to have instructions and reference material in the box, although online material is better for the environment, but some of us are still old school, if you know what I mean. Now this is the hard wiring harness. It's supposed to be like 10 feet long. This is what I intend on using for my install because I use my car's lighter ports for my mobile chargers. Let me just move this box and take this out of the bag. So I see an inline fuse here, and the ground wire already has a terminal crimped onto it. That's always good. Less items for me to have to go buy. So next we have this thing here, which looks like it is the base for the camera, the windshield mount. And here, this tiny little thing is the rear camera. It's quite small, but I think it's an ideal size, really. Nice and stealth. In the end, you don't even want to know it's there. Next we have, looking at the terminals on the end of the cable, I say this is the link cable that is going to connect the main camera to the rear camera. Man, this thing looks pretty long. According to the website, it is 24.5 feet long. Good for minivans, I would assume. So I'm gonna guess that this is the end that goes into the main camera. Due to the fact that it's L-shaped, that is gonna help hide the wires to make a clean installation, if I'm correct. Okay, so this is the 12-volt power harness that you would use to plug into your lighter ports in your car if you choose to go that route. However, if you do go that route for installation, I do believe you cannot run the parking mode, because for the parking mode, you do need constant power. And from what I remember, most lighter ports do not have power when the car is parked. They only run off accessory power. This is an extra sticky pad for the main camera's base, should you have to change vehicles or change position of the main camera. And these are adhesive wire guides, just in case you can't get your wire to tuck underneath your interior's lining. Now here's something that is very cool. This is a USB micro card reader. For those who don't have a computer equipped with an SD card reader slot, you can just use this. You just plug it right into the USB and throw it into your computer. And last but not least, the micro SD card with micro SD card adapter. So if you have a computer with an SD card slot, you don't even need to use the USB one. You can go ahead and sell it, or hey, you can give it to me if you want, I'll take it. Also, this card is 32 gigs. I'm not sure if you can use a larger capacity card. That might be something you might want to look into, because I'm definitely going to want a larger capacity card. Alright ladies and gentlemen, that completes the unboxing video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. If so, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. And if you do, please also hit the notification button, as I do plan to release another video in the near future on the installation of the dashcam, the functionality of the footage from the dashcam, functionality with the app, and my thoughts and views on the product. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.
Dig, 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 dig.